Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Crypto. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome to September. Let's hope it is a great month and a green month for all of us in the crypto space. Now today I wanted to talk about a new project called Qubit that has just been released. Now Mound is the team behind Pancakebunny and they are the team that's recently launched Qubit. So Qubit is a decentralized lending and borrowing platform by Team Mound that is committed to making money markets a secure commodity for the entire Binance ecosystem. So really interesting on this one, up 16% on the 24 day, sitting currently at 50 cents or 0.5078 per token. Now we've got a lot to talk about, guys, so let's get right into it. So what is Qubit? Well, Qubit is a decentralized money market platform that takes advantage of speed, automation and security on the blockchain to connect lenders and borrowers efficiently and securely. Now, before I get into Qubit, I want to talk about Mound. Mound is the team behind Pancakebunny, one of the leading DeFi platforms on Binance. And Team Mound is composed of developers and entrepreneurs with extensive experience across games, social platforms, quantitative financial systems, and blockchain platforms. Pancakebunny is Mound's yield aggregator. Launched in December 2020, it delivers best-in-class auto-compounding yields on the Binance Smart Chain. Pancakebunny will vertically integrate with Qubit, and Pancakebunny's smart assets vaults will utilize Qubit and its zero withdrawal fees to maximize their returns. Now, with zero withdrawal fees, Qubit not only reduces the cost of lending and borrowing for retail users, it also enables Pancakebunny and other Binance Smart Chain yield aggregators to employ leverage strategies to maximize single asset returns. So really interesting with this one, guys. And I guess there's a few key things with Qubit, but why Qubit? Why out of all the DeFi projects? Well, they're committed to making money markets a secure commodity for the entire Binance Smart Chain. Consequently, Qubit does not charge the withdrawal fees that have hindered the innovative applications of the most sophisticated leverage strategies on BSC. Qubit is also explicitly committed to furthering ecosystem security on the Binance Smart Chain. It does this in two ways. Firstly, Qubit does not support flash loans, which eliminates from the platform one of the greatest sources of insecurity in the entire ecosystem. And secondly, Qubit will fully support vertically integrated code review and full stack audits for all whitelisted projects that build on the Qubit platform. This represents a significant but necessary ecosystem investment by Qubit in order to eliminate the vulnerabilities that were injected into the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem by the uncoordinated migrations that interrupted and disrupted many projects. And as we've talked about, Qubit is the latest in the growing suite of connected products being developed by Mound to grow the Pancakebunny ecosystem. Now, before I show you the platform, guys, they launched with a massive 250 million in total value locked upon launch. The lending and borrowing platform built on Binance Smart Chain experienced huge growth in total value locked moments after its launch. Now, guys, seriously, this has only been out for not even 2 weeks. So it's pretty impressive that they've done this, and I think it sets the tone for what this project will be like. And before I show you the platform and sort of get into the nitty gritty, I want to talk about the Qubit Tokenomics. So the total supply will be 1 billion. This is equivalent to a total market cap of $50 million at the initial pre-launch liquidity price of 5 cents per QBT. Total allocation of supply, 5% of the total supply is allocated for pre-launch liquidity event, 57% of the total supply is allocated to reward liquidity mining activities over the course of the first year of service, 3% will be distributed over the first month, 4% over the second month, and 5% every month after. 10% is allocated to marketing, 15% is allocated to the devs, 3% will go towards security to fund audits, and 10% will go to the MND vault, as previously announced. There's a couple of other things. They'll have staking rewards in the QBT staking pool. We've got a little bit more about the roadmap that I'll talk about maybe in later videos, but I will give you, a little bit about it. But initially, guys, Qubit will support QBT, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, USD Coin, Tether, Binance USD, DAI stablecoin, Pancake Swap token, and of course their own token, the MDX token. Now let's have a look at this platform, guys. Very, very simple, very sleek, which I quite like. And here it's got the total TVL, which is pretty massive at the moment. So I wanted to talk about how it works in the most simple terms. So users of Qubit can participate as lenders and borrowers. So as a lender, as a liquidity provider, lenders can deposit assets to lend out to others. Liquidity providers will earn interest on their deposited assets. As a borrower can deposit assets as collateral and borrow assets in return. So for example, Alice, the liquidity provider, deposits USDT to the Qubit USDT pool. She receives QUSDT representing her deposited tokens and her share of the total interest the pool earns through the lending period. For providing liquidity, Alice will begin earning QBT as a reward. Additionally, Alice can stake her QBT and lock them away for a fixed period to receive a Q score that will boost her rewards for liquidity provision, provide voting power to participate in governance, and allow her to collect profits and fees distributed to QBT stakers. When Alice would like to withdraw her underlying assets, she will redeem and burn her QUSDT to receive her deposited USDT along with any interest her assets have earned. And then you've got Bob the borrower. So he deposits BNB as collateral and borrows an amount of USDT limited by the maximum loan to ratio for his asset deposited as collateral. If the health factor of Bob's loan drops to levels that allow for liquidation, Bob's position will be liquidated and he will lose some of his collateral. Liquidators pay the portion of the debt owned by Bob on his behalf and receive a portion of Bob's collateral as a reward. That is, of course, how collateral works. If the loan's health factor remains a non-liquidable level by the time Bob is ready to return the borrowed USDT, Bob may pay back the USDT to the pool with interest. So guys, how does lending work? Now, somebody like me would be interested in this. So you lend assets by providing liquidity to Qubit's supply market. By supplying tokens to lending pools for specific tokens. In return for providing liquidity to supply markets, you receive Q tokens that represent a proportional share of that lending pool. A lending pool holds all of the liquidity provided by suppliers in the specific money market, as well as all of the interest that has accrued over the duration that liquidity was supplied. So for example, let's just say you're interested in lending BNB and earning interest on the liquidity you have supplied to do so. Well, first of all, you connect your wallet up here. Now they have multiple options, but let's just say I'll sign out so you guys can see what I see. So right here, you've got the connect option, and of course you can connect to all the major wallets. Now, once you're connected to your wallet, guys, you'll be able to easily supply liquidity. So let's just say you click on BNB. You simply click on that and supply the desired amount of BNB. So let's just say here you've got your wallet connected, you want to supply 1000 BNB. It would then give you the options needed, and right here you would have the supply button. In return for supplying BNB, you will receive newly minted QBNB on a one-to-one basis. When you're ready to leave the market, you simply redeem QBNB for the BNB you supplied, as well as your share of accrued interest, and the QBNB is immediately burned. And that would be in this redeem section right here. And borrowing is essentially the same principle. One of the best things that I liked about this platform, guys, is how easy it is to use. And the feedback that I would have for these guys is keep up the good work. For someone like myself, I like it simple, I like it sleek. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me your thoughts, and as always, watch this space.